High ticket affiliate marketing. Now, this is the way to do it. If you are looking for high ticket affiliate marketing programs, or if you're looking for starting to do high ticket affiliate marketing, this is crazy. These stories are crazy. You can make, imagine this, imagine that you're making one sale and you're making thousands of dollars per sale instead of like $20, $50, or even $100 per sale. These are the stories, the results that people are getting with this high ticket affiliate business model and program. Like right here, for example, she just got another $4,775 day while at her granny's house. Also another one right here, Lucia, 5.7K, $5,700 in just 3.5 weeks. Math, $2,800. This all in just one day. These people right here, these ladies right here, $3,164.79 while having lunch. She almost made 1K in her sleep. She made $2,776 commission just for one sale while on an amazing call with her mentor. Here, there's more. Desiree made 4.5K in 1 week. Keep crushing it. Then right here, Hannah, $4,000 in 1 week. Cecilia, $1,000 on a holiday. This is crazy. So I can keep going on and on and on about the benefits of high ticket affiliate marketing, but you need to do it right with the right program, the right funnel, and the right offer that you know is going to convert and it's going to make this kind of money. Like Ivan, $3,500 with one sale. Lexi, $5,800. Haley, $6,600. This is from one program. This is all from the same program and the same system that I am part of as well. And I'm just loving it. Every day, there's dozens and dozens and dozens of testimonials and success stories like this. She made 3 sales. This is all in one day. She's always crushing it, but this day was crazy. First, she woke up to a $2,776 commission. Then later on, she got another commission for $345. And then later on in that same day, 4 hours later, she found out that she made another $1,044 commission. That's for a total of $4,000 a day. This is thanks to the high ticket affiliate marketing system that you should check it out. And right here, more, $2,000 before 8:30 a.m. Exene, $2,000 for one sale. Juanita, $3,700 for one sale. And you should register for the video. There's more details about how they're doing it, how we're crushing it with this program and this system with high ticket affiliate marketing. There's a science to it. There's also an art, but there's a science to it. And you can learn it right here on this presentation. It's just a free video that you can register on the link right below. You're gonna have access to this page and you can check it out for yourself. There's testimonials coming in on a daily basis. I see dozens and dozens and dozens of testimonials and success stories like this every single day because this program works and this training works. It's a system and it's proven to work. But with these strategies that you can learn in this video, okay, is my number one recommended way to make money online for obvious reasons. This is how regular people wake up with an additional $1,000 to $5,000 plus per day in their bank accounts every single day without needing to create our own products, websites, run ads, or personally sell anything ourselves. You can just register to the video, and that video is gonna teach you how to do, how to use today's technology, right, to make sales for any program, any system, and specifically for high ticket affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend you to click on the link below on the description and register for the video. You're gonna be learning a lot in this presentation. You're gonna be learning how to re-upload other people's content to make passive recurring income in less than 57 minutes per day, and how you can get your hands on this too for $0 today. I highly recommend it to check it out and see you inside the video. And then also like this video and subscribe because I keep posting videos on a daily basis. I'm posting a lot of content. I want to help as many people as possible. I know the economy is really tough, and I know there's a lot of people looking for solutions to make money ASAP and good money like this remotely from anywhere in the world. So like, subscribe, share this video, and register for this video right here as well, because you're gonna learn a lot from this free training. Talk to you soon.